off. Anything? You get a story out of it. 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 G'day, mate. Cameras, we got this one right here. It'll be the Sena, but I don't know, maybe in the sand. Nothing has the anti-vibration like this GoPro. Well, some of them do, but none of the ones I have, let's put it that way. The Air Pro, it's an oldie, but super tough. GoPro right here. Can put the Sena here, looking right at you. Can have two of them looking at you or looking wherever. Oh, and I've added this. I'm just gonna experiment and see if I like this. It's the little, oh.
The wife says watch out for the trees. It's like, a gamble. I can just put it on that.
Okay, just going to show you coming into the desert here. You'll know you're at the desert by the sand. And we are, took me 40 minutes from downtown. It's approximately 70 kilometers from downtown Whitehorse. Head towards Carcross. That's the White Pass, which is just on the other side of, between us and Skagway, Alaska. Skagway, Alaska is about an hour away. If you do nothing when you come through Whitehorse, this desert, I personally think this desert is the must-see for coming to Whitehorse. Carcross is just a quarter of a kilometer, half a kilometer away. You can have lunch there. My father-in-law put the boat there, what's left of it. Absolutely one of a kind. Oh, look, we got motorcycles. First we'll say hello to our new friends. Good.
Okay, what do you got? You got the KLR? The straw? What is that? That's the 2019 V-Straw? Okay.
My skill level in the sand is not good enough to maintain the bike upright and watch the drone. My skill level in the sand is not good, period. But practice makes perfect. Have to let it go. Is it better with speed? I don't know. Is it? I've learned one thing. It's pretty quick to go down in the sand because I've done it. Yeah, put your feet down, Bill. Sit back a little bit. Let her go. Get up the hill. This is the ravine right there where I got stuck yesterday. It was bad news. I'm not going over there today. Oh yeah! And down we go. First drop of the day. Cool. That'd be something. Stop for a sec. How you doing, GoPro? That's why you practice balancing your bike. Okay, so when I went out in the desert last time, I had this just kind of hanging here with some wires. What I would do is take this setup and I would just sit it in here. And that way I could ride, and it hung there. But I crashed, and I hit that and I bent everything. It ended up like, what a mess. But for today, I'm just gonna zap strap that right there. Who needs to see your speedometer? Put another zap strap right there. And then this, once the drone's up and tracking, sits right there. Let me bounce over the desert. And I think, even if I crash, of course, everything's gonna fly and I take a risk, but I usually crash pretty slow speed. I gotta make it up that little hill. I mean, it should be easy. But I thought getting down here was gonna be easy. What a great little bike. There's some good things to get your foot on. One thing I've learned about sand. Okay, it's okay. Going into new terrain, if you don't know where you're going, can be dicey because you gotta get out. You get in a big dip and you can be in trouble. I gotta make that hill. Sweet. Might be good to let the air pressure out, but I've yet to do that, and I've always made it out. Be a bit of a bitch when you're a rookie.